Hi, welcome to Kawatso. Learn anything in less than rupees 500 per month.
Hi there. Welcome to the first session of Git. In this session, I will answer 3 simple questions about Git. These are: what is Git, why Git, and how to use Git. So let's start with the first question. What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system. Yeah, that's it. It's simple. To get the meaning of this sentence, we need to understand the meaning of 2 important words. First, what is version controlling system? And second, what is this distributed word is doing here? Let's understand the version controlling system in brief. A version controlling system is a software application or tool which tracks changes in a file or set of files. It simply means if we change anything in the set of file, this tool can easily track new changes and can revert to any previous version if we want. Thereby, it keeps different versions and gives us flexibility to move back and forth for any version of our files. The main use of this system is in source code management during software development. Whenever we write a software application, there is a requirement to track down our source code so that we can review new changes and also revert to any previous version if we required. Now let's understand the meaning of distributed version control system. There are mainly 2 types of version controlling systems: centralized version control and distributed version control. In centralized version control, there is only one central copy of entire project residing over a remote server. We can access and change only those files which we need to change, but we can never have the entire project locally. Here the entire team relies on the central server. However, in the distributed version controlling system, each developer contains a full copy of entire project, including the full history of the code commit. Here we never rely on the central server. Instead, each developer has a full backup of entire project in its local machine. Now the second question, why Git? Git is a decentralized version controlling system. It simply means there is no central copy of the entire project. Each contributor of the project contains the entire project in its local machine. It gives us the advantage to work independently on the project without connecting to the central repository. We can cut off the internet, complete our task, and then sync up our changes with the central repo. Git is an open source tool created by the same developer who developed Linux. It is backed by a strong community which improves this tool periodically. There are many source code hosting platforms which uses Git as their backbone. Some of them are GitLab, GitHub, and Bitbucket. By using Git, we can switch to any of these platforms as per our requirement and budget. Okay, the last question, how to use Git? Git was originally developed as a command line tool. It provides a simple command line interface by using which we can control the system. To work with this tool, we need to understand its workflow and different commands which help in execution of the workflow. There are some third-party applications which provide UI view of Git workflow. By using those applications, we can simply manage our source code with couple of clicks. In this course, we will understand Git workflow and its commands. We will also learn how to integrate this tool with our IDE like Eclipse. So why are we waiting for? Let's start learning this powerful tool right away.